Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the mystery reveal for our July mystery kit. So let's just jump on to it. So our mystery theme this month is called Barista, and it is like a coffee shop inspired kit, but like with bears. And I think they're so cute. So here are your 9 full boxes. I love this one here, and I love the Beartella. I just think that's so cute. So here are your 9 full boxes. You have your quarter box and half box sheet, your bottom washi and your header or your date covers, your functional page, headers and little things, squared boxes, and then your extra fashion girls and glitter headers. And I just think they are so cute. Oh, sorry, my tripod's a little bit shaky here. Okay, my tripod is like super shaky, so if my cuts are super weird, I'm very sorry about that. But the colors are like very neutral, lots of like pink tones, lots of brown tones, and I just think it's perfect for any time of the year. So if you get our ultimate kit, you will get all of these pages. If you subscribe to our tiny kit, we just take out these 2 pages and you have these 5 pages. So that's the difference between the 2 kits. With all of our kits, you do also get, let's see here, a foil bundle. So the foil bundle this month is in rose gold foil, and we have some inspirations of some coffee beans, some bears. We got the barista here. We had some bear confetti, and then just some simple boxes. Here is the bottom washi and header overlays. And then you get your 3rd page as well. So that is the foil bundle for this month. And then you also get the 15mm bottom washi strip. And then you also get the mystery freebie, which is just some icons in the colors of the kit. We also now have a couple add-ons that you can subscribe to. You can choose to add them on. You can choose to just get them separately if you so wish. But we have our journaling kit. So this is the journaling kit for the barista kit. We have the deco sheet, and we have the tall boxes. So these are just some super fun add-ons. If you want to expand this kit, you can add these on. If you are a current subscriber, you need to message me and I will add them in manually. But if you are a new subscriber, you can just add these on to your subscription. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next one. Bye!